Hey guys, welcome to LocalChannel. Today we'll be doing a video on how you can make money while in school trading. Personally, I did this myself when I was in school. I was able to make some profit, not extreme amounts, but still while managing my schoolwork and a part-time job, I was able to learn about trading and participate in making profit. Here's how you can do the same. Now, the New York Stock Exchange is open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Usually during this time, I'd be in school and focusing on my schoolwork. But I had a desire, and that desire was to start day trading. But there was one problem. I didn't have any time to actively day trade. I found a solution in this thing called swing trading. Now, it's still the stock market, and it's the same stocks, but it's treated differently and traded at a different time. The difference between day trading and swing trading is that swing trading you hold overnight. Day trading you sell within the same day. Now swing trading you can hold for 2 days, 3 days, to a couple weeks. So I started off with common patterns such as bull flags and moving average breakdowns, all on the daily chart. I'd hold these stocks for 1, 2, 3 days and then sell. There's many strategies that revolve around swing trading. If you'd like to see a video on common patterns, just hit a thumbs up and comment below so I know whether you guys are interested in this or not. Anyways, swing trading allowed me to put on a trade once during the day, and then later on at night I can review, and if I ever needed to sell or buy at a certain point, I'd have a buy order or sell order to exit and enter at points that revolve around my strategy even when I'm not at my computer. So with all this extra time you get with swing trading, you're able to still learn about day trading without having to watch the market from open to close. After you do your homework, you're able to go on YouTube and watch the daily recaps and start building your foundation to your trading education, right? While I was in school, I was able to make a couple $100s with passively managing my trades over a couple days, which allowed me to have extra income as well as completing my diploma with honors in my program. Like many, I did not go to school for the stock market. I went to school for business marketing. On my own time, I was able to learn about the stock market while managing my time wisely to keep a healthy balance between schoolwork and trading, which allowed to get me to the position where I'm at now, full-time day trading. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or requests for future videos. That's all. See you guys next time.
I put my all in, I be ballin'. I feel like Harden, I feel like a target. I was just starving, I wouldn't guard it.